About 2 hours since my last video, and things haven't changed here in Fitchburg except for one really bad development. This is an apple tree that's next to my place. As you can see by the angle, it should be straight up in the air. It's adjacent to that, and you can tell by the angle of it there that it's pretty well coming up over the fence, and if this goes much longer, chances are the apple tree is going to wind up snapping in half. So, not very cool. It's still snowing like crazy. A little bit lighter snow. It's gotten a little bit colder here.